So you might be in a situation where your iPhone's ringtone is just not ringing. Now, what does this mean? Well, basically your iPhone, as you may know, will ring whenever it gets a call, but for some reason it may not ring, and this can be a problem. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you're not on Do Not Disturb mode. So to do this, what you want to do is you want to go and hop inside of your settings or your control center right here, and you'll see a little Do Not Disturb mode option right there. Now, all you're going to want to do is make sure that this Do Not Disturb mode is not on. If it's on, well then that's basically going to be the main problem and it's not necessarily going to work for you. So make sure Do Not Disturb mode is not on, because if it is, well then most probably you're not going to be able to go through and actually successfully get your ringtone ring. Now, if that is not the problem and that doesn't seem to be the issue, the next thing you're going to want to try doing is you want to go ahead and just make your way over to your iPhone settings. You want to go ahead and scroll down until you see Sounds and Haptics, which is right here. And then what you want to do is right here where it says Ringtone Alert Volume, you may just want to make sure this is either all the way on or it's up a lot or something along those lines, because if it's all the way down like this, that might be a problem and that might not necessarily be the way that it's working for you. So just go through, make sure this is not all the way, make sure this is on, and that can probably end up fixing the problem for you as well. Now, if that doesn't end up being a problem, the next thing you may just want to try doing is right here, basically for the rest of your specific display, you may just want to go ahead and make sure, like I mentioned before, that your iPhone is not on silent mode. So as long as this ringtone ring thing is on, then that should be good. If it's still not working, you can also try going through and just restarting your phone. So just go through, hold down the buttons that you normally would to restart your device, just like this. Go ahead and power it on or power it off, and that might end up fixing the problem as well. If that still doesn't work, you may want to try updating your iPhone. So just make your way over to your iPhone settings, scroll down into General, go on Software Update, try updating your phone, and that might end up fixing the problem as well. So that pretty much covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.